All right, we're here at day 3 of Mustang Week. It's retro night, and just coming to park, we just saw Vaughn's GTD, and here's the footage real quick. Holy shit! We got drifting tonight, and we got some burnout competitions, so I'm excited to see all that, and of course the GTD. So gonna be a good night. Got the RTR booth here. There it is. Sorry, guys. Hey, you're good, man. GTD. God damn. This thing looks more meat in person. Oh my god.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go get your drone. I'm gonna go get it set up.
drift event. We got some break. We got a costume contest, and then the burnout contest, which is exciting. I think what's also crazy is that they literally took that gray RTR off the showroom floor in Charlotte and brought it here and did all that. So listen, I'm not trying to do any free publicity, but the thing sounded real good and it moved real well. So if you're looking for a fun car, that's it. GTD has arrived. I'll put the owner's Instagram in the description for you.
Damn. I handed them a marker. I'm like, will you guys sign it? They're like, you want us to sign it? We're fucking, you know?
Nobody.
Like,
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, you're somebody to me.
You gave me this car.
It's part of the car, so
It's part of the car.
part of the history of it.
That's right.
This is beautiful.
I tried to get them to sign my chest, too. They wouldn't do it.
Tattoos, right?
You'll notice the whole car's carbon. So if you look up here, this is all carbon fiber.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God.
So it's super light.
Wow.
You gonna be at the show on Friday?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be in the main booth.
I'd love to see this in the light, see what it. This is nice.
I wish it would.
Talk to the owner. Super cool dude. He drives this shit everywhere. He's doing a full U.S. tour, taking it to Tail of the Dragon. I mean, the man's gonna drive this thing. He's doing an 8,000 mile tour. Incredible. Actually incredible.
These, so they ran out of material, so they've not delivered.
Guys, I'm fucking shaking right now. I just sat in the GTD. No fucking joke. He let me sit in the GTD. I'll post a picture right here. Oh my God, that thing is incredible. It's so comfy. It looks amazing. It just, the owner, incredible. Just, it's literally speechless. Okay, that concludes the night. Honestly, best night of Mustang week so far. Thank you for tuning in. We will catch you tomorrow for another day of Mustang week. Deuces.